Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2015 Toyota Highlander. This is the XLE 4-wheel drive and it's equipped with the V6 engine. I just replaced the engine oil, and what I need to do is to reset that maintenance interval light. So let's go see together, hop in the cabin and see how this task is done. This one has the smart key system, right? So it's not the one which you are putting in ignition anymore. It has that engine start-stop button, and this is what we will do. After I have my instruments on, I will push this button to get in the odometer trip A. That's where it is. And I will go ahead and use this button again to switch off everything. Right, so I'm off. And now I will grab and keep pushing this odometer switch. I will push on it, right, and keep holding it. I need my two hands, so I will leave the camera here. You can observe what will happen on the display. So I'm holding that odometer button, and then I will put that ignition again on, and look what will happen. The whole system should reset itself. See that? I push second time that push button and it's resetting maintenance data, and it's all done. Now I can let go of that odometer button which was here, right? And everything is done. Let's go recheck if it's all true. So I will switch it off, right? Before that maintenance light was coming on all the time. We'll step on the brake, start the vehicle. Now let's see if it's off. It was bugging the owner, it was always there, and look, it's all gone. That was easy, wasn't it? And it was 2015 Highlander with the smart key and that start push button. I hope you enjoyed this video, you find it helpful, and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, have a great day.